Okay, people, here is yet another revisit. This is to my first Superlectric box fan. This is that new old stock one I got back sometime in 2011. This is also the first box fan I got with the original box. Now, this is much like the last Superlectric fan I just videoed, except it's a bit newer and has that cheap plastic motor that they started putting in their fans sometime in the very late 70s. As I said, this fan before I got it was new old stock. That means it was never used until the previous owner bought it. I got this from a fellow DT member who is only on the forum briefly. So we'll have an overall look around of it, then we'll fire it up. First, we'll have a look at the box. As you can see, Superior Electric refers to their box fans as carryabout fans. Nothing real fancy on the sides. And the back is the same as the front. Likewise, the other side is the same as, or likewise, both sides are the same. Here's the top. And it's got the little red tag for the model number. It's 2-speed, just like the other one I have. Okay, now on to the fan. As I said, it looks just like the other one I did in the last video. However, this is the one difference. It's got a different motor mount, and you can't really see it, but that is the plastic motor. It's got the black plastic shells. The vents look very much like that on the last Go Galaxy box fans. Unfortunately, unlike the older metal motor like on the other Superlectric, this one does not have the oil holes. So in order to do a thorough job on this, I gotta take it apart. Also to note, this is not the original motor. Originally it had one with the tannish white translucent plastic shells. Well, sadly that motor was ruined in shipping simply because the seller didn't pack the fan properly. Therefore it messed up the bearings. So yeah, it's still the same color as the other one. And there's a dent in the one side of the cabinet. Here's the top. And it's got the same sticker and knob as the other one. And unlike the other one, the original handle's still intact. As I said, this is new old stock. Well, it was before I got it. So let's fire it up. Here's high. It runs a little faster than the other one on high. And this one's really low on low. Maybe till it warms up. Back to high. And off. Spin down time wasn't all that long, but once it warms up, it takes like forever to stop. Now, it does have a bit of a motor whine, but it's very faint. Try low. Yeah, you can barely hear it. I can't really hear it. So, that's my new old stock Superlectric box fan. Thank you for watching.